That's why, like, when my son arrived, your son like show him inside. I was like, what is inside? There you go. He must be very proud of his dad making this.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, for sure. Takes years to grow. That's amazing. Oh, okay. All right. Do you guys work full time? Like your wife works?
She's in real estate. She goes real estate.
She has another job. How busy are you guys?
We don't see those.
Yeah.
Between kids' sports and.
Oh, I'm sure 3 kids. Like even one keeps me busy enough, let alone 3. Yeah. What are you making with all this wood?
Well, those are countertops for a customer's house.
Right.
And that's a panel for his fireplaces.
Ah.
And then this is just for a guy. He's going to make tables and stuff.
Right.
He told us what he wanted, so we just cut what he needed. And that tree was a tree that his wife used to swing on when she was a kid. And
That's so special. So now they're making furniture. Wow,
Yeah.
that's cool. So making beer is not only your hobby. Like this is another hobby of yours.
This is a hobby. It's probably going to be bigger than the brewery, most likely. And then over here, I started. I used to build stuff for a living.
Right.
You know,
So it's easy for you.
making these tables, these customers come here.
Yeah.
Usually we're showing people the wood and all stuff. And so this is a table that I'm building.
Oh. Wow, look at that.
Epoxy.
Yeah.
I actually had my first failure of epoxy this morning. And the company's making it right. I've never seen this before.
Yeah. Wow, look at all this beautiful wood, eh?
So, form an epoxy and make little cutting boards like this for people. And do different things. Just like whatever anybody asks for, we make.
That's amazing. It's like a whole factory at the back. Yeah, like and then you're burning beer while you're making tables.
You can clean kegs and do stuff like this while the kegs are being cleaned.
Yeah.
This is like a 3-minute cycle. And so you can just hit the 2 buttons.
Yeah.
Do something over here for a little bit.
Right.
And you can do both at the same time.
Yeah. Multitasking.
So, this is like a little table I'm working on for a week. It's not done yet, but it's so the guy, that little cutting board in there,
Yeah.
he saw that. He wanted to know if I could make legs for that and turn that into a table.
Yeah, this looks beautiful.
This morning we were making just making legs that would eventually go on that thing over there.
And all the equipment you have to have in order to make this, right?
It's stuff we've always had. We've always had all this stuff.
Oh, okay.
And so if you wake up in the morning, the chickens are right here. They're walking around with all the chickens.
Oh, okay.
They'll be out in the morning.
So this is a farm slash brewery slash like furniture factory.
There's honeybees, there's cows.
Oh.
Got 2 donkeys out there. And they all kind of run around.
Wow.
Do what they do.
Wow.
And everything's recyclable, like all the shavings.
Yeah.
That becomes the beds for the chickens.
There you go. Yeah. Reuse them for sure.
Trying to get through our winter inventory. I got beer in the tanks. I got packing. We need to get rid of all this stuff, but it's kind of light right now.
Yeah.
This is the new cooler. And that's where all the beer is stored. And
Wow. And they're all full? All the kegs are full right now?
Full, but they need them all to go away so we can stock them new stuff.
Right.
So,
Do you sell keg too, or you only sell cans? Kegs and to restaurants. Okay. Mainly local distribution or Carolina? Okay. How do you advertise for your beer? Like is it like by word to words or?
Beer nerds, so
Yeah. Yeah, it's delicious. We tried it. It's really nice.
It's not done yet.
Oh, okay.
Just for the last 3 weeks.
This looks like a sauna room. So cool.
Go over that left hand door.
I hope nobody's in there. Oh,
It's all scrap wood. This is
wow.
all scraps.
And shower as well? This is so cool. I've never seen something like this before. Wow.
Not sure how it looks.
There's the sink.
Yeah.
And then both sides share the sink.
Oh, that's such a good idea. Okay. You guys can shake hands, but make sure you wash your hands before you shake hands.
Hey, Cindy, we some more paper towels here. Can you get some more paper towels over here?
Wow.
So,
See, when you can be creative, you make however you want it. And look at the door and the frame.
yeah,
It's so beautiful.
it came out pretty good.
Yeah.
But there's really no money in it. It's all scraps.
There you go, right?
And it's all stuff that
Yeah.
we cut. There's a board full of wood up there.
Yeah. There you go. But your labor, I mean, like you are busy and
Right.
you still need to find time to do all of this. Yeah. So, how many people are working for you so far? You-
Ken is a volunteer.
Yeah.
And, we got a volunteer that works Sundays.
Yeah, I read the review. They said the volunteer staff was really friendly. I was a volunteer. Like,
Friends and become friends and they're
Really, eh?
customers. And there's probably 10 reliable customers
yeah,
that are friends.
Yeah.
I can call anytime and say, hey, we're having a big event. Like,
Yeah.
you know, help.
yeah,
They're here.
yeah. Wow.
They don't want to get paid. They don't.
Yeah, to drink beer, that's their payment. 这个老板做的一个很酷的桌子，里边还有贝壳。这个是老板的朋友，曾经是一个军人，但是呢，他牺牲了。老板的军人，这个军人的老婆呢，就把所有的他的徽章呢送给了这个老板。这个老板就用他的徽章做成了一个桌子的桌面。他这个是不卖的，因为这个是非常有纪念意义的。它后面还有灯，你可以开灯来变换它的颜色。哇，在个小温室里边，好可爱啊！
You're allowed to catch them.
昨天我们不是用了好长的时间才找到了 Harvey Host 一个酿酒厂的晚上过夜的地方。这里晚上特别热闹，昨天艾丽玩到了特别晚，玩到了晚上11点，我们才回来。有很多蔬菜把它种在船里边。这个 fire pit 是一个小车的样子。呀，这个有2家 Harvey Host， 昨天晚上在这儿过夜，另外一家开了一个 camper van。